Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of perimeter and area. This is ninth question of its exercise 11.3. So the question says that Shazli took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of a circle. Find the radius of that circle. Also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its sides? Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? So हमें लेंथ की मैंने वायर की स्टार्टिंग में लेंथ ऑफ वायर is equal to 44 centimeter and bent it into a shape of circle. So ये हो जाएगी हमारी circumference of circle. So हमें रेडियस फाइंड आउट करनी है सर्कल की. So circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r और हमें इसकी वैल्यू गिवन है वायर की लेंथ 44 इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू पाई की वैल्यू 22/7 इंटू आर. सो बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन 44 इंटू 7 अपॉन 22 इंटू 2, 22 से 44 2 टाइम 2 से 2 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. सो रेडियस आ जाएगी हमारे पास 7 सेंटीमीटर. Then also find its area. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. So 22/7 into 7 into 7. So 7 से 7 cancel out हो जाएगा. 7 into 2 14. Then 7 into 2 14 plus 1 154 centimeter square. Then if the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its side? So length of wire इसकी complete perimeter हो जाएगी. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side and perimeter हो जाएगी complete length of wire हमें given है 44. So 44 is equal to 4 into side. So by cross multiplication, side is equal to 44 by 4 is equal to 11 centimeter. Then which figure enclose more area? So हम find out कर लेंगे area of a square is equal to side square is equal to 11 square is equal to 121 centimeter square. So area of circle है हमारे पास 154 and area of square 121. So circle covered more area than square. So यहाँ पे हो जाएगा हमारे पास encloses more area, the circle or square. So आ जाएगा हमारे पास circle. Thank you.